Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your running experience with Adidas. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enhance your running experience with Adidas, start by selecting the right footwear. Visit the official Adidas website or your nearest store to explore their range of running shoes. Consider your running style and foot type to find the perfect match. Next, pay attention to the cushioning and support features in the shoes. Choose a pair that offers the desired level of comfort and stability for your runs. Once you've selected your shoes, it's time to gear up with appropriate running apparel. Look for moisture-wicking shirts and breathable shorts to stay comfortable. Adidas offers a variety of options designed to enhance your performance. Now, consider integrating Adidas technology into your routine. Explore the Adidas running app for tracking your distance, pace, and progress. The app provides personalized coaching and training plans tailored to your goals. To further elevate your experience, consider Adidas accessories. A good running watch can help monitor your heart rate and track your pace. Hydration is also essential, so consider a lightweight Adidas water bottle for your runs. Finally, remember to care for your gear. Regularly clean your shoes and apparel to keep them in optimal condition. With these steps, you're ready to upgrade your running experience with Adidas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.